Hi, I'm Deb Foley, and here you'll learn all about video storytelling and marketing to grow your business. Cisco says that video marketing is expected to make up 82% of all consumer internet traffic by 2022. I know it can feel totally overwhelming to think about filming a video. As an entrepreneur or small business owner, we're expected to wear several hats and just keep moving forward, even when it's uncomfortable. Believe me, I know how scary it can feel to sit in front of the camera. I am still not super comfortable, as you can probably tell. The good news is that you can start really simply. You can just use your iPhone sitting in front of a window. When you're starting out, the quality of your video or the content of your video is much more important than the make of your camera or having the latest equipment. So first off, you want your video to be in alignment with your business mission. What is your business goal for this video? Is it to increase brand awareness? Is it to educate, inspire, or entertain? If you're just starting out, you want to earn the trust and understanding of your potential customers. Video is wonderful for this because your audience can hear your enthusiasm and they can tell if you're being genuine or not. One type of video to consider making when you're starting out is an origin or why video. This is where you share your story. Simon Sinek says people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. This is my favorite type of video to film because I love learning about the backstory of a business. You want to carefully tie in how your experience led you to this business that can help your ideal client. A second type of video you could film would be a customer testimonial. People tend to trust other people's reviews. For the testimonial, you want to film a real customer explaining how life was before they used your product or service and how it's improved since. Keep it to around a minute. Your potential customers will feel more confident buying from you after watching this. A company culture video is a third type of video you could create. Here you have your employees talk about their favorite part of the job or why the job is so important to them. Someone is more likely to trust a brand if they know the employees are happy working there and believe in the company they work for. A fourth type of video to try would be a behind the scenes, but you probably want to wait until you're a little more comfortable with the whole video production process. But this is where you just give your customer a sneak peek into a part of your day and show them what goes on at your business. Secondly, who are you targeting with your video? Do you have their demographic information and do you understand their pains and desires? It's important to know about your ideal client because then you can make sure the video you create is relevant for them and it will keep them interested. What problem do they have that you can help them solve? Once you have your plan sorted out, you're ready to film your content. This can be as simple as sitting in front of a window with your webcam set up facing you, the light on your face. Or you can prop your iPhone on your computer and use that. You want to make sure that you look neat and that your background isn't cluttered. Turn off anything that could make a humming sound in the background. At first, speaking to the camera feels so awkward, but it does get easier with time. If you're filming a brand awareness video, it can be pretty short, probably in the 30 seconds to 2-minute range. Education videos often start around 5 minutes and go from there. As you become more comfortable with the whole video process, then you can start to think about up-leveling your equipment and adding things to your video like graphics, music, more fancy transitions. You can outsource your editing to a place like Fiverr for very inexpensive, or you could learn iMovie if you have a Mac. Or if it all sounds like too much, you can hire someone like me to help you with the process. Lastly, you want to think about where to place your video. You want to do some research to figure out where it is your ideal customer spends the most time, and that's the platform you want to get really good at. Initially, just focus on one platform because otherwise it gets too overwhelming. Once you master that, you can add others. Origin videos are great for a website's About page. A Get to Know Us page on your website is great for a company culture video or a behind the scenes video. And your homepage is a great place for a customer testimonial. Of course, there's also LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram stories, Pinterest, your email list, and so many other places. You've got this. Remember, progress over perfection. Just be real, be authentic, and you'll have an impact on your customers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video tips. Take good care, and I'll see you next week.